So I want to do a writing sample that shows how this Iron Gall green gold ink, how it writes initially and then what it looks like after it's been given a few minutes to dry. So let's take a look at what happens when I go ahead and write with it using a KWZ. It's a stub nib, it's the 1.5 millimeter. And oh, this is a Clairefontaine notebook with some nice bright white paper. So we'll just go ahead and do a quick writing sample so you can see the initial color of the ink. You'll notice it's going to be kind of a bright green. So let's take a look. You can see there this pen puts down a lot of ink, but you get an idea there of how bright and kind of vibrant of a green that is as it's drying. And then you'll see what will happen is as it dries, it starts to darken up. Now I did another sample before I was writing with it, and you can kind of see here how dark it is. It's got that, it's almost like a olive drab, like the military camouflage type green color. Maybe even it looks almost, in some spots it even looks black. So let's go back over here, and you can see that now that the one I just wrote is drying, and you can see how, if I can get it into focus there, you can see how dark that is. And then I'll just give you another, just on the same page, a quick sample of what that looks like when I write with it again, so you can see the fresh ink versus the darkened, deeper color here. See how that lays down that brighter, more like a mossy or more vibrant. Either way, it's a greener green than compared to what's dried above it. So you can see as time goes by, it just continues to get a little bit more dark, and then eventually comes to that dark green.